What is a heat map? A heat map is a data visualization technique that uses color gradients to represent different values. The color intensity or shade indicates the magnitude of the value, making it easy to spot patterns, correlations, and outliers in large data sets. Characteristics of a heat map: 1. Colors represent values. Lighter or darker shades correspond to lower or higher values, respectively. To grade layout, heat maps are often shown in a matrix format with rows and columns. 3. Gradient scales. They use a continuous color scale, like blue to red, to indicate value intensity. 4. Useful for large data sets. They provide an overview of complex data by simplifying patterns. Where are heat maps used? 1. Website analytics. To track where users click or focus the most, like a heat map of user activity. 2. Sports. To show player movements on a field. 3. Weather maps represent temperature, humidity, or precipitation intensity. 4. Biology. Analyze DNA or gene expression data. 5. Business reports visualize sales, performance, or customer trends across regions. Launch Microsoft Excel and open a new worksheet. Your chart will look like this. Highlight the range B2, the numerical data only, without the region month header. For applying conditional formatting, go to the Home tab in the toolbar, click on Conditional Formatting. Under this, select Color Scales. Now choose a 2-color or 3-color gradient to represent the sales values. Example, green to red. Your map will look like this. Then go to File and Save Your Map.